Greetings to the alumni of IIT Guwahati. I'm very happy to launch the IIT Alumni Portal, which was developed by IITG Alumni Association during the Silver Jubilee year of the institute. IIT Guwahati was established in the year 1994 and it has completed 25 years of glorious existence. On this occasion of IITG Alumni Portal launch, I congratulate the entire alumni of the IIT Guwahati, who are almost more than 15,000 people or so up to 2019, and also in particular Mr. Arun Jain and Deepak Gupta, the office bearers of the IITG Alumni Association. Alma Mater website developed by IIT Guwahati Alumni Association looks very impressive, and I hope large number of alumni will be using this portal. Creating an engaged, supportive alumni network is crucial to an institution's success. If communication stops once the graduates leave an institution, their understanding of the university will become stale. Instead, they should be kept informed so they can remain engaged and keep abreast on the progress of the university. Good alumni relationships bring many benefits of maintaining an engaged alumni network and how the market is changing. At this moment, I also would like to place on record the contribution of the Dean of Alumni and External Relationship, Dr. Rakhi Chaturvedi, Associate Dean of Alumni and External Relationship, Dr. Aditya Panda, and the entire AER team, who have a wealth of experience and skills to share, and also developed an excellent network of alumni of IIT Guwahati. And this network with current students are also being facilitated through talks and workshops and alumni meets. On this occasion, I would like to give the achievements of IIT Guwahati and also the future plan along with the vision and mission of IIT Guwahati. Within the short span of 25 years of existence, IIT Guwahati has been the duly accomplished in its goal and mission, and it is the only academic institution from India that occupied a place among the top 100, that is 61 to 70 world university under the age of 50 years of age, published by the QS Young University under 50 years, and continues to do well in various international rankings. IIT Guwahati has also been ranked at 470 in the QS World Ranking 2021. IIT Guwahati ranks third among the leading science and research institutions in India in terms of research citation in QS ranking, ranked 350th in the overall world category and sixth in overall India category in the academic sector of the Nature Index annual ranking of 2020. While in subject-wise rank in India, IIT Guwahati has been ranked within the top 10 in 4 subjects of Nature Index. IIT Guwahati has been ranked 7th both in engineering and overall categories in the NIRF ranking conducted by MHRD in the year 2020. IIT Guwahati has also been ranked 3rd in the Swachhata ranking 2019 conducted by the Government of India, and is the only centrally funded technical institute to be among the top 5 consistently for the past 3 years ever since these rankings were launched. IIT Guwahati has one of the most beautiful educational campuses in the country that provides an ideal setting for learning and research, and we believe that learning in tandem with the tides of the mighty Brahmaputra at the vibrant campus of IIT. It's an experience we as a community have been blessed with. It is strongly believed that IIT Guwahati has been able to fulfill the aspiration of the people of the Northeast region to a large extent, since its inception was through Assam Accord signed in 1985. The institute is fully residential for the students, enriched with world-class facilities, and it is empowered with a young and dynamic faculty and staff. The vision of IIT Guwahati is to become a preferred destination of seeking best science, engineering and technology education, and to be recognized internationally for excellence in research, pursuit for developmental activities and deep concern for students' care. An important feature of the academic excellence is the continuous replenishment of ideas and creation of new ideas and areas of research and innovation, attracting organizations seeking collaboration in education, research and development, as well as product development. Lab to field is the motto of our industry interaction at IIT Guwahati. In a fast changing world, keeping pace with the ever increasing number of areas of research and application poses a major challenge to IIT Guwahati. IIT Guwahati is trying to augment the research initiatives in all the areas of sciences and technology in general, and nanosciences and technology, bioengineering and data sciences in particular. Initiation of research in some of the cutting edge areas of biological sciences, namely genomics, developmental biology, healthcare and bioinformatics, flexible electronics, advanced functional material, sustainable polymers, water resources and management is a testament to the aspirations of IIT Guwahati to excel in research. The scope of environmental science and data science in the inherently interdisciplinary and expanding rapidly. Recognizing the challenges for environmentally sustainable development, IIT Guwahati emphasizes an interdisciplinary research paradigm in energy and environment to solve the problems that have important science impact. It is indeed a challenging task to match the ever-increasing need for funds and providing infrastructure for these emerging and futuristic research areas, and IIT Guwahati has resolutely taken this challenge in its stride. In this direction, the role of alumni is critical and immense. Further, IIT Guwahati has set goals to be recognized as one of the world's top 150 institutes or universities within the next 5 years. This will include attracting external grants and research funding at the level of internationally well-ranked institutes to furnish state-of-the-art facilities for all programs, attract international faculty and students to spend time at IIT Guwahati, enhance and perception globally, fostering academic excellence and freedom while maintaining rigorous transformative educational experience with industry collaboration and co-location of industries in the research park of IIT Guwahati. The strategic commitment provides the roadmap of the long journey. The strategies include the mission, the vision, goal and values that would be instrumental in placing IIT Guwahati among the top academic institutions of the world. These strategies will create new opportunities for the faculty and students and development of professional skills. The ultimate aim is to provide the students with an educational training and emphasis on innovation, social awareness and professional ethics while promoting the spirit of creativity amongst the researchers. An important feature of academic excellence is the continuous replenishment of ideas and creation of new areas of research, innovation and incubation. While the world has experienced the miracles brought about by the Indian engineers and technologists in information technology, IIT Guwahati is trying to keep forward by embracing the rising demands of newer and interdisciplinary areas of research and technology development by incorporating industry participation in offering courses in futuristic areas of artificial intelligence, e-mobility, robotics and machine learning, while focusing the other areas involving design and manufacturing, power generation, distribution, construction, technology, water resources and management that are essential in the forefront development of the institute in the coming decade. It is indeed a challenging task to match the ever-increasing need of the funds and providing infrastructure for these emerging areas. And IIT Guwahati has resolutely taken this challenge in its stride. Because of the dedication and gratitude of many alumni have for the institution, they are often generous with fundraising efforts. I seek actually invaluable alumni's philanthropic support in terms of financial donations, which will enable us to offer life-changing scholarships to talented and needy students who may otherwise have to give up their studies. They also enable IITG to provide students with advanced facilities and equipment for teaching pioneering research. It will also encourage to identify the talent in the faculty and award them appropriately with chair professorships and other awards for the great contribution to the society. Since major technological developments in the future would require expertise from various disciplines, IIT Guwahati has been promoting the concept of virtual multidisciplinary research departments. One such group is working on the development of electrical vehicles, and other group is working on water. The endeavors for a high performance computing center with a new 650 teraflop high performance computing and a research center for computer security are the other goals in the directions. IIT Guwahati also plans to retain its excellence and reputation in the area of sustainable polymers. So bioplastic is one of the greatest innovation of the IIT Guwahati team. The Center for Excellence in Sustainable Polymers integrates sustainability issues that focus on the science and technology of polymeric materials into research, education and products. High performance computing and computer security is also greatly studied by our faculty. Such initiatives will take IIT Guwahati to greater heights similar to that enjoyed by the top universities in the world. The new initiatives in the biological sciences and experimental physics, environmental studies, computational mechanics, quantum computing, nanotechnology, disaster mitigation, aeronautics augur very well with the spirit of excellence in this institute. In the years to come, IIT Guwahati, we hope, would become an ultimate destination for scholars and scientists from world over. I request all alumni to be in touch with our students and also invite successful alumni to take professors of practice and visiting professorship positions at IIT Guwahati, which we have introduced this year. In addition, the institute is also enhancing its curriculum in view of the enhanced demands from industry and academia that would ensure that the students are prepared for the broadened world of engineering and technological trends and SDG goals. This year, we have introduced a new course for undergraduate on sustainable development goal. Personal exchange between industry and government and academia through visiting professorships and sabbaticals or summer leaves in industry and government are also being pursued. IIT Guwahati alumni contribution would be immense, and I look forward for more interaction with our alma mater. The industry has also embarked on undertaking research based the social and societal problems while expanding research directed towards solving regional challenges through a new center on social entrepreneurship. In a renewed drive towards community impact, developmental activities are essential. Some of these encompasses intra-institutional collaboration to bring together the best of resources of the national interest and moving from tower of excellence to network of excellence. In this direction, a joint degree program is also initiated between IITs and also joint degree program with international universities like GIFU University and many universities in Germany and Australia has also been started. The challenge for the institute is to create the optimum research ecosystem and enhance the ambience where each individual would be encouraged performing cutting-edge research and development. In particular, to promote quality of research, the institute is planning to identify and reward excellence in research where active participation of majority of the faculty members to attract research funding would improve research accomplishments. We have created a new division of increasing industry interaction as industry interactions and special initiative with a new dean. As part of this new IPR cell to handle the patents and publications, technology transfers, encouraging entrepreneurship have been created. While IIT Guwahati embarks on the next phase of its journey, the society has greater expectation from this institute of higher learning. Aligning with its vision and mission, IIT Guwahati would always remain committed to student growth, social upliftment, and generate knowledge and resources for the benefit of future generations, while instilling a sense of pride and belongingness among the alumni and also fulfilling the aspiration of all its stakeholders. During this COVID-19 pandemic, which world has never seen in the history, IITG faculty and students have given large number of projects and converted many ideas into products which were dedicated to the nation during this difficult time. During the COVID-19 pandemic, many innovative ideas on online teaching methods were also adopted by IIT Guwahati. As we move forward to transform this vision into reality, we will create endless opportunities to students, researchers, faculty and staff of IIT Guwahati in the coming years. I welcome all of the alumni to join to celebrate the success of IIT Guwahati during its Silver Jubilee year and its exciting journey to become a network of excellence. Thank you so much. I once again take this opportunity to declare the launch of the website of IITG Alumni Association. Namaste. Thank you so much. Good day.